this is the plan of this free energy device. Okay? So free energy devices, yes, they're supposed to be unicorns, but not in this case, because in this case, physics, Newtonian physics, so far they say we have to rewrite the textbook for free energy to work, but we don't. Because Newtonian physics should be divided into two parts. And all we're doing is, this part is what we've been studying since the man penned this with a quill, no less. He couldn't figure out how to restrict ink in a tube. So yeah, I'm not going to say use the be all and end all of physicists, okay? So that's what we've studied so far. Now I give you indirect drives. So basically what I'm doing here is, this is my drive. One of them drives, there's an input and there's an output.
Okay.
And they're indirectly driven. So in other words, if I stop my one, the other one can still continue.
Okay.
And if I go the other one still continues. But when you do them together, and you've got that weight,
Okay.
wow. So that's basically all it is. So if you have a look at the plan, which I want you to download, give it for free download to whoever wants it, and then they can take a look, and then ask any questions.
Alright.
Cool.
So you're saying this can be able to take out generators and it can
Well, this will basically replace any motor.
Any motor.
Any motor, whether it's driven by petrol or by electricity or anything else, it will replace that.
Okay. So this is it, an OverUnity device.
OverUnity.
That
But
is
not with
giving
a,
away.
yeah, I don't think, you see, they say even a perpetual motion, which is OverUnity. OverUnity means that your one in equals one out.
Okay.
Okay, so one in, one out. That is unity. Now that is impossible on this side in part one of Newtonian physics, which I agree with absolutely. But the physics that takes part in this here is also the physics that happens here. We just haven't, well.
They hadn't.
Yeah, then I don't know why not, but it's just look at the whole other side of it. I mean, this is. I need to move this pen along here. I need to move it a meter. It's going to take me, to move it a meter. I have to expend X amount of energy. Yeah. But I can also move it by expending less energy. There, move the meter. Yeah. I just harness gravity. We harness things all the time. Yeah. A yacht harnesses free energy.
Okay.
It's indirect drive. What did I do? Raise the sail. What happened? I sailed to America. Anyway, this is like cause and effect. This is like direct cause. This is like just effect, and this is like cause and effect.
Okay.
See, uncoupled. My drive. So in other words, now this is why it works because of the. Watch this. If I take off the weight, right, and now I give this a spin. See what happens. You spin this, and it goes. It's easy to spin. I mean, look at that. It's like nothing. Okay, but also when this thing comes around, there's no power on this thing. It's like just boom, and you can stop it.
Okay, so maybe you can show exactly.
Add weight to it, and now to get it spinning, it's almost just as easy. But I've now got angular momentum that I want to see. Well, more of it. So now when I want to stop it, boom, it's not as easy. And if I want to make it more output, and yet my input is still actually, because now I'm actually, once you get over the initial inertia of it, now the momentum is actually helping it, making it easier to spin.
Okay.
Look at that, and now it's much harder, the output is much more.
Okay.
So you can just keep adding weight or increasing your radius, because angular momentum, you just can go. That one, your velocity will be constant because it's driven by that little motor at the bottom there. That's your small input motor. So that is constant. But these ones, you can up them, add weight, add radius, increase the angle of incline, many things you can do.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to upload all the drawings to our YouTube channel, and whoever is interested and wants to see how to assemble this with all the parts list, everything down to the detail, it's going to be
Cool.